Hello, I'm Ev Duran with Ecosense. Today, we're talking about both our Lumium Nitrogen series as well as our Lumium Neodymium series. The classically gorgeous squared profile of these two product lines makes nitrogen and neodymium two of the most popular choices in the Lumium family. Let's start with nitrogen. The nitrogen series is comprised of 4 sizes, ranging from 1 inch to 3.4 inches square. Nitrogen 0 and 1 are the 2 smaller profiles and can be joined in continuous runs and oriented with either a direct or indirect light output. Nitrogen 2 and 3 are the 2 larger profiles, and they both include an integral driver. Most nitrogen sizes can be surface mounted directly to a wall or ceiling, or cantilevered using our rotational arm mount. The same is true for our neodymium series, which for all intents and purposes is just like nitrogen, but it has built-in bidirectional capability. The neodymium series includes 3 sizes, ranging from 1.7 inches to 3.4 inches in diameter. Within the Lumium family, there are a number of shared traits, namely beauty, quality, and versatility. And just like the Lumium Oxygen series, which we featured in a recent video, the nitrogen and neodymium series come with the freedom to specify a wonderful variety of options. These options include standard powder-coated or anodized finishes, milled end caps with no visible hardware, ensuring clean, beautiful, and non-distracting visual details. And speaking of not being distracting, weightless power over suspension cables, which greatly reduce visual lines from fixture to ceiling. Drivers that dim to 1% standard and come in 0 to 10 volt or dolly versions. Our 2¼ inch diameter zero canopy options for acoustic tile, millwork, or drywall finishes, which ensure the smoothest transitions possible from fixture to building. The ability for direct or indirect orientation, with some of our most popular optical distributions engineered in-house, including the graze, the flood, the narrow flood, a wall wash, an aisle lighter, and a batwing indirect lens. As part of the exciting Lumium Plus revamp, we have also added dynamic light options, including warm dim and tunable white, as well as RGBW. We've also reimagined the end caps, making them incredibly easy to just pop off, and suspension cable, slide out, slide in, end caps are magnetized, and pop back on easily. And the best part? Most variations now come with just a 10-day turnaround time. Because getting you the beauty and quality that your project deserves, quickly, is one of our highest priorities. In conclusion, if you are looking for uncomplicated beauty in a rectilinear profile, one that gives you the freedom to craft the perfect light for your needs, I have some good news for you. Check out the Lumium Nitrogen series and the Lumium Neodymium series by Ecosense. Thank you so much for watching. For more information, please visit ecosenselighting.com or contact your local rep. Thank you.